This is a review and a bit of a demonstration on magic sponges. Now there are different types out there, so for argument's sake, this one here, it's not a brand that's known, it's not a known brand. Obviously it's marked up as a magic sponge, but it's actually really dense, and these are the ones that you have to be really super careful with. Now the reason being is because it's so dense. If you get like mud or on, say, like a door card, and you've sprayed it, wiped it with a damp microfiber, and when it dries off you can still see the mud, and that's because most interior plastics on vehicles, whether it be sort of steering wheel, kick plates, door cards, they've got a slight texture to them, so the build up of the dirt gets into the sort of like crevices or the pattern. And then when you wipe it with a microfiber, it's sort of going over the top and not really getting into the crevices. So this one here it's so dense that it would probably take away the natural shine of the actual part that you're trying to clean, because it's just far too dense. Even with the Autoglym ones that are quite soft, so this one here, as you can see, it is really dense. This one here is an Autoglym one, and it's really soft. You can physically feel the difference. But even with the super soft ones like this one, you still have to go really lightly, really careful, hardly applying any pressure at all. So as a demonstration, it's a little bit damp. I'll do a little bit on the steering wheel, although the steering wheel's not overly dirty. But you slightly dampen them, and it's just sort of like really gentle, hardly any pressure at all. And because these are so soft, they get into sort of all the pattern or the crevices of what you're trying to clean. The ones that are like this one, far too dense, it would just take away the natural shine, so that's what you have to be super careful of. Let's see if I can do it a bit on the steering wheel up here. No, it's not really. It's brought out a little bit, but it's not overly dirty steering wheel. But the the point of the video is, more than anything, is regarding magic sponges. The softer ones are the better ones to get. Very light pressure when you're using them, and you've got less chance of taking away the natural shine. The ones that like this, that are super dense, they're the ones that are going to probably more than likely take away the shine of a door card or a kick plate. So they're the ones that you've got to be super careful of. And actually, I bought a few of these online. They stated that they were soft, but upon sort of arriving, you can tell straight away they're just so dense. I just wouldn't use them, not at all, because it's just too much of a risk. Taking away the shine of a trim. When I say the Autoglym ones, they are just so soft. And so with these, I'll go really lightly anyway. But they're really good if you ever get a kick plate or a door card or a plastic, where you're spraying it, wiping it, and when it's drying off, you can still see the dirt. A magic sponge, really soft, super soft, very, not dense at all. Very gently, hardly any pressure, should get into all the crevices and pull the dirt out. Or if you're a bit worried about using a magic sponge on vehicle interior, the other option would be to spray it and agitate it with a soft brush, and that should do the same thing. Might take a little bit longer, but that'll do the same thing, and it's probably a safer option. So there we go, a little bit of a review on magic sponges. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please consider subscribing to the channel, it will help a load. Have a great day.